Commercial truck drivers who can't read and speak English, take them off the road because they're killer drivers.
Patrick says the trucker who crashed into Connor could not read English. His name, Yadwinder Sangha. Patrick says Sangha, who speaks Punjabi, used an interpreter in his tape deposition under oath, and he admits this.
I don't read English.
The sign said, slow down, traffic stopped ahead.
That message, he says, starting 6 miles back before the crash scene. And how many signs were there?
At least 3.
In April, President Donald Trump signed an executive order saying this.
Truck drivers who can't read and can't speak English must be taken off the road immediately.
But it does not solve a big issue.